The most important thing to do when you've been involved in a car crash is to get the treatment you need. Don't delay. It's important that you get that treatment right away. Oftentimes people want to know who's going to be paying those bills. It was typically in Minnesota your own auto insurer that's paying those bills, and that might sound counterintuitive because people expect the other person's insurance company to pay, and while that is true to a certain extent, your initial medical bills are going to be paid by your own auto insurer. And they do that so that you don't have to worry about a different company denying your claim, and that you should be able to get the treatment that you need right away. So that's the most important thing. Secondly, get a good lawyer. Get somebody who knows what they're doing, like the lawyers here at Sieben Edmunds Miller. The faster you have a good lawyer on your side, the more quickly you can get things set up with the insurance company and set up correctly. So don't try to do that yourself. It's important that you have somebody who knows the routine and the process to set that stuff up for you.